Hello everyone. Now here we have received our Google Arcade Facilitator code. Now we have to redeem the 600 points. Let's see how to redeem that. Okay, the first step is enter your code. Oh, sorry. We have to open this code in an incognito code. Sorry, incognito window. So I've opened it. Now we have to give that code here. Is that code here? We are copying the code. We have copied it. And now we are going to paste it. Return of robot. We are a fire hydrant. Here it is, here it is, here it is. Nothing is there. Submit. Okay, we have submitted it, and they are telling that there is a lab. Okay, so I'll continue with the lab. Okay, it started. Firstly we have to sign in the skill boost. I'm signing in. Okay, now we have signed in into our Cloud Boost account, Cloud Skill Boost account. So here is a lab. Timer is 1 hour 7 minutes, but we have to stay minimum of 6 minutes in the lab. Okay, let's start the lab. Robot. Firstly, we have to open the lookup count console. I'm opening it, continuing with. Here we have to log in with this username only. I pasted it. Here the password. Next. Here is the password. Next. Understand. Everything is done. We are good to go. There is agree and continue. We will see what to do. Let's read first. We are saying what? This is the lab, and in this lab uh, we will learn how to create the API services in Google Cloud Platform. So this builds a temporary environment in Google Cloud. So what is that? Start lab button. So wait. Whenever the timer reaches 000, you lose access to temporary Google environment. It is true. Some labs have tracking. There is a problem in the scrolling. Some labs have tracking which scores your completion of hands-on lab activities. It's true. So wait. In order to receive completion credit for a lab that is tracking, you must complete the required hands-on lab activities. It's also true. So now we have to access the Google Cloud Console. We have logged in. We have logged in with this username and password. Now we'll do Cloud Console, username, password, project ID. Use password. Everything we have done it. Okay. What field is not found in the left pane? Password system admin. Next, username the left pane with symbols is a cloud. I am already it's true. Now view projects in the cloud console. Data is console. Here is the thing. Here is the project settings. We have already clicked the navigation menu. So we will see the project settings. How it is. Let's see. Here is the go to project settings. We have gone there. Now, what to do? Project team. This is our project team, project name. This is a project ID and this is same. Project It's true. It's true. Now we are told to that click the navigation menu. We have clicked it. Here is the IAM. I am an admin. Here we have to click I am button. Now we have to just modify something. Let's see what we can modify what. Non-taxes. Yes, it is. Non-taxes. We have some difference. Let's see. We get this identifier. That identifier. So we have this viewer. Around the viewer, then save. Saving it for the position. Now let's check our progress. We have not done it. Let's see what's the problem. We have checked our progress. Now let's test our understanding. Navigation menu. Entering APIs and services. This is step one. We have to go to the navigation menu. Then we click API and services, the library. Let's go to the navigation menu, API and services. Here is library. We have gone there. What to enable it? We have to enable that we have to enable the dialog flow. Yeah, fine. What is it? There is a dialog flow API. Right? Now we have to just click enable. Click enable. Done. So clicking it. Now our dialog flow API is configured or that is enabled. Let's check the progress. I think it's done. Yes, it's done. Understanding, test understanding, finish the lab, we need to enable API, we need to use USB tool. Now we are good to go. Now in the lab. Now we have seen that there is 7 minutes. We have stayed for 7 minutes. Now we are in your lab. It's done. Get 5 star here. Submit. Okay, so after some times, I think after 30 minutes, we have got our 600 credits, free credits, and now we have to use these credits in some labs. Okay, so that's for today.